Hey there, and welcome to the MD-4011 instructor-led training series. My name's Lockie. It's great to be here with you. In this upcoming set of modules, we are going to be going through the MD-4011 learning path, which is focused on a combination of Intune and Copilot for security, and how these two work best when they're put together. But before we get into that, a little bit of who's yammering at you. As I said, my name is Lockie. Feel free to call me Lachlan. I am a Microsoft technical trainer. And prior to that, I was a cloud solution architect out in the field for Microsoft. My specialty, whilst it says infrastructure and code and automation, in reality, it was always to the lens of security and compliance. So I know the power that Intune can hold and how we can use Copilot for security in a practical sense. Out in the field, customers are using these combinations today to better manage their environment, even when they don't necessarily have the manpower on the ground to really find that impact otherwise. So, what are we going to learn in the course? What am I going to be taking you through in the upcoming modules here? My goal is to take you through 3 key areas. The first is I want you to have a comprehensive understanding of how Intune will work best in your environment. Device management is key, and being able to roll things out and ensure that they are compliant with whatever you set as standard is going to be a core goal for the modules up ahead. Next, I want you to understand how Copilot for security works for you. Now, we're looking at these two separately first, and once we've got a hold of them, it's straight into how they work best together. The combination of the two is where the real power is. So we're going to take you through that as part 3. If you do have a basic understanding of security principles or a familiarity with how to manage devices on premises or more broadly, that's about all we need as a prerequisite for this course. This is designed to be both introduction and also outcome for how you can actually implement these in the field. So you should have everything you need to learn out of the course to get yourself up and running and hit that ground going. Now, if you are looking for any other self-paced learning material, you can head on over to learn.microsoft.com. There is a lot of great material there and a learning path specifically for this course and for the series as a whole. Feel free to go and take a look through there if you're looking for any extra documentation, reference material, or you just want to review in your own time. Thanks so much, and I'm looking forward to taking you through the rest of the series. See you in the next module.